All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about and breaking down how I went from being negative $19,000 loss on the day to basically making back my entire loss, plus ending the day with $3,700 in profit. Now, today was Wednesday. For those that don't know, Wednesday is extremely hard, choppy day to trade. It is not the best day out of the week to trade. We always struggle with Wednesdays. It's always like a 50-50 day, but in most cases, we look for high quality setups, okay? So with today, I was watching NAS 100 and US30 for both sell-offs when the market opened. As always, what you see here on the left-hand side is my private VIP Telegram group. This is where I put all my alerts as well as entries, stop loss, take profits, everything I'm looking for. This is where I share with my members exactly where I'm looking to sell. In my areas of take profit, I'm looking to either close a trade out or scale out, take profit along the way, and then obviously the stop loss. Okay. Now my stop loss, some will say that's a high stop loss, it's a good stop, bad stop loss, but ultimately your stop, I put that there as like a protector, disclaimer, cushion, but really everyone should be basically coming up with their own stop loss depending on how much they want to risk, as well as their account size and how big a position they want to take. So this is my private VIP Telegram group, but what you see here in the center is my free Discord group community. That is 100% free. You just click the link below this YouTube video. You have multiple options to either join the private VIP Telegram group to receive my signals every single day, which is right here on the left-hand side, or join the free Discord group, which is also below this YouTube video as well. So again, today, start off with a $19,000 loss, and then we ended up closing out for $3,700 in profit. Now, US30 and NAS 100 were not easy today. They were not at all. Scrolling back up here to the Telegram group, you can see I started sending the signals out in the morning with NAS 100 and then obviously US30. But the breadwinner here, where I basically made back my entire loss, is let's look at the bigger chart, bigger time frame, right? So US 30 and NAS 100 pre-market were basically selling off, right? They were basically fading off. But then we were basically like holding, right? So the important thing here to notice is that it was basically like holding, it was ready to crack this support. So it was once resistance, right? It was trying to hold support. I'm like, man, if we crack this, we'll get a nice flush down. Now what happened was, obviously, market opened and she basically ripped up. Sucks. It is what it is. But before finally curling over and then selling off before pushing back up. US30, basically we were looking for the same thing here, right? In this case, you could see that, we were basically looking, let me pull this up here. We were basically looking to crack what was this support level. You see this massive support level. Multiple times I wanted to crack. It was a matter of time, like when was it going to crack? So we were looking for this to sell off here. Obviously, feel the order pushed up. When it pushed up, then we had this basically resistance area. I'm like, all right, we're going to sell it towards that area. We sold it towards that area, and that's when we had the nice sell off for take profit 1, 2, and 3. This was basically me in the trade, basically recovering my losses. Now, we did hit take profit, we hit our entry right here, take profit 1, take profit 2, looking for that take profit 3 area to flush. At that point, I was already out of the trade, and then she just ended up dropping even more the rest of the day. So, guys, this is not considered revenge trading, right? Revenge trading is basically just trying to jump in to make back, to make profit on the day, right? Now, some would say, well, you lost $19,000, but if even if I didn't make $37, at the end of the day, I tell people, man, you trade well, profits will follow. And in no shape, way, and form was this revenge trading, okay? This was waiting for the trade to come to me, waiting for the trade to basically speak to me, tell me, hey, now it's ready for a sell, right? Because again, what happened was looking at US30, look at US30 on the bigger picture, bigger time frame, you could see that basically she was struggling at this area. She was struggling at this area. So I'm like, okay, we're going to see this one from a sell now, right? We're going to see it from a sell standpoint and finally get that sell off. And then we're going to finally break that support level and have a nice little drop down. When she dropped down, she did push back up, started gearing and perking towards the highs, but then she finally had a big sell-off here once the news hit. So, again, you trade well, profits will follow. Sometimes, as traders, it happens. Sometimes we jump the gun a little too soon. Now, in no shape, way, and form do I feel that my US30 and NAS 100 signals from this morning are wrong. They were not wrong. Based on that action all week long, Monday, Tuesday, with that action Monday, Tuesday, today is Wednesday, it presented to us a really good sell standpoint, right? So when I trade, right, when I send my signals out here, right? So this is what you guys really need to understand. When I send my signals out here to my private VIP Telegram group, I'm not just throwing darts at a dartboard blindfolded, right? I'm looking at the chart and look at the best high reward, low risk setups, okay? Because I make money, you guys make money. When I lose money, you guys lose money, right? That's how trading works. Now, I'm very, very transparent, right? I show the losses, and most people don't. Most people would just post their profit all day long, right? But I actually show my losses. I talk about my losses and explain what went through my head. Okay, so hopefully this video helps and educates you guys. Again, if you guys are interested in joining any of my groups or teams below, it's going to be below this YouTube video, the link to the Discord, link to the Telegram, as well as the same broker and prop firm that I use and recommend. Those links are going to be below this YouTube video as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember guys, trade well, profit to follow. Nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.